Good evening, everyone. So today we assembled here to discuss about the case study in the wireless communication. So we know that the communication plays a very vital role in day-to-day life. So we are using the handheld device called mobile, whatever cell phone, whatever it is. So that based on the communication it is working, right? So although we are benefiting from the mobile phones and communication, we have to address as engineering students and the engineering community, we have to address some problems which is emerging, which is very crucial to the industry that we have to address. So from altogether, when we are looking at the communication systems, the fading is a very crucial part that is happening when the wireless communication takes place, right? So that fading we can discuss now. So what are the challenges we encounter, that how can we address these problems that we will discuss, okay? So this forum is yours, you can discuss now.
Yeah, fading is usually used by an transmitter and receiver antennas. We can measure a wave in given Vm equal to cos omega t plus theta. Vm is an amplitude and omega t is an 98, theta is an angle. And from transmitter to receiver, we are transmitting a signals by a layer of an troposphere and cyclospace. We have input in given wave transmitted, and it will reflected into one receiver end. And it can maintain all the times we are using mobile network such as many other network mobile will be searching, and for the time it will come many other errors in their signals. We are using transmitter end. It will give an input. It will transmit a signal into one receiver end by an layer, by an ozone layer, and it will reflected, and it will give a signal into receiver end. And we have that time we have made some fading, signal fading in that time, and how we can rectify it, we can see.
How can we rectify it? Anyone?
I have solutions for it. First, it's equalization, sir. We can, from receiver side, we can change the settings and to get the weaker signal into strong, sir. And power coding method, sir. In that, adding regulation,
Redundant bits
to control the weaker signal into strong signal, sir. And diversity techniques, sir. In that we can use multiple antennas to collect the signals, weaker signals from various parts.
Okay. Then any other point?
Sir, there are many types of fading, sir. First, fast fading. Signal becomes up and down quickly, like in a car or a bike. Next, slow fading means signal gets weak, sir, slowly. When something block it, like building or trees, etc. And next, flat fading, some whole signal becomes weak, sir, equally. And next, frequency-selective fading means some part of the signal only reflect weak, sir.
By knowing this, the impact of this fading is in very much major parts. Like in communication, when we are doing in voice, in which we are using cell phones, and when we are under a basement or some places like that, the connection will not be so much good for us to speak and communicate. The signal may call off or drops because of this fading, and this is the impact of this. And it's also when we are moving to some places in vehicles, it happens. And by using in media side in data, when we are watching a video, it started buffering because this related to fading.
Conclusion is we are using many signals to mobile or anything or other studies. They are using we have transmitted signal into multi signals and many other signals. We identify which signal is have some problems or errors in signal. replace it, and we can using some other noise solution, and we can get a clear output in a receiver, and we will using majorly we are using communication based, and we can made like a project or any other.
Okay, very good. So what we have now as a conclusion, the fading is a very, I said already, that's a very important challenge we must address, right, in a communication, because the fading, it happens when the signal will get reflected, refracted, or diffracted. There are such phenomena that happen when the signal is propagation from one place to another place, because of, as he said, because of some obstacles or large buildings or any hill, mountains, because of those places, right, that is unavoidable, right. So because of that, the signal may get any of the phenomena, right, like reflection, reflection, that kind of thing. So this cannot be, overcome by, completely, but we can minimize this one. Yes. So there are several techniques already proposed, and they got some output also, some nominal output, but still the fading, overcoming the fading is a very important thing, and research is going on. So as you said, so much point you have put forth in this forum, right? Let us share these points to the industries which is associated with the communication technology, right? And let us see if their idea is, if our idea is okay, then we can go for some consultancy or some project. Thanks for your time, and we will get connected in the institution.